Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G34 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then we have to scroll down to find About Phone. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom to localize the build number and keep tapping on it to turn it on. Okay, now we can go back and enter the system and tap on the developer options. Here let's scroll down just a little bit to find this automatic system updates and tap on the switcher to turn it on. So from now on, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.